Hello everybody, and today I start the video off differently than I don't normally do, and that is because, usually I start with an empty coding thing. So today I'm going to show you how to use Canvas in HTML, CSS, and JS. So this is CodePen I'm using. So in the HTML, you need to use Canvas, and then you can make an ID to access it in the CSS, and then another tag to end the tag. So, and also if you're using any other coding thing, you need to use the other stuff as well. So, the other tags as well. So, in the CSS, I just made the background black so it looks cool. You don't need to. And then the canvas border solid green. This just makes the outline green. And I can change it to white. I don't think it would fit it though. White. Oops. And hopefully it doesn't crash. Okay, it doesn't crash. So, the first very important things you need to set in JS are the canvas equals document.getElement by ID canvas, so you can use this canvas, and then cdx equals canvas.getContext, and then two-dimensional. I'm just going to show you two-dimensional because I don't know how to do three-dimensional. Okay, so the range speed should be 10. Oh wait, these are all of the other variables I'm using. So this sets the canvas width and this sets the canvas height. This draws a mirror, so this is a good example of how to draw. So yeah, there's a mirror over here. So you need to begin the path. Then you need to this fill. Well, what did I do? Okay, so this fill style makes what it's filling white. You can also do stroke style, which sets the color of your pen or something. And then you do ctx.fillRect, but when you do stroke style, you do stroke rect instead. So this is the width. I set it. No. This is where it starts. So, actually, it might be a bit confusing for people who used to use Codesters or Scratch, but actually, the 00 is in the top left, which is why we set it to 0, because it starts on the edge. And then, canvas.height over 2, that just makes it in the middle. -5, because that's the width of the thing minus thing, never mind. And then plus the rain height, because that's the angle I set. Okay, and then canvas width, that makes it where the x of where it ends, and 10 makes it like the width and the height of the rectangle, basically. So this is the random function if you wanted to know. Function random num min max. I should actually probably make this big so you guys know what I'm talking about. So I use a lot of repetitive. You guys probably know how to make this simplify, but yeah. So that's the dictionary for my thing. And this just draws all the rain particles, and then when it reaches to the mirror or over, it stops, and it changes the Y to up here again. So this is drawing everything, and then this is the physics. So all of the rain Y's are added by the speed of the rain, so it looks like it's going down. And then set interval. So if you're making a game, this is always the main thing you have. So set interval basically does a loop, but my teacher said it's more efficient, but it's been crashing a lot, so I don't know if while crashes more. Anyway, um, um, this is the function that you want to run, and this is how many milliseconds it takes to update. So that's how I created mine. Actually, I'll scroll down slowly so you can see every single piece of code if you want to copy it. Or you could just search the name of my project in CodePen, then you'll be able to find it. Almost there. It's a lot of repetitive. You know what? I couldn't figure out how to make all of these add up in the same time. Okay, yeah, so that's the whole program, if you want. And here's the CSS, and here's the HTML, and so there, that's how you use the canvas in HTML5. See ya!